out. So this one, again, we are still increasing your calorie burn, and we're performing an exercise which is also then going to help to really strengthen and develop those tummy muscles. That's good. Reach it up and then walking that out. That's good. Keeping that going. Reaching it up. So you are nearly halfway through on this one. That's good. And reaching it back up. And remember, the more you exercise, and if you do this for the duration of 7 days, every day you do it, you're increasing in your health, but you are also increasing your active muscle tissue, which means you are going to reset your metabolism. It is going to naturally speed up your metabolic rate. So you will find that you are one, you're going to be in a split stance, and it's as if you're about to sprint, and we're going to do 30 seconds on one leg, then we will change to the other leg. Okay, so let's drive that up. It's good. So with this one here, the benefit here, you are working through your upper body, you're working through your middle body, we're toning through your abdominals, we're working on your core stability, we're also toning through the legs. Let's just keep that going. Good. And you want to keep pushing yourself. When it feels challenging, that's when we really get the results. That's good. We've got 10 more seconds left on this leg, then we're going to change to the other side. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2, and 1. Let's now change. Take that to the opposite leg. So you're driving that leg up as if you're about to run. Keep going. That's good. Then we've just got 2 moves after this. So we are nearly done today. Keep thinking of those benefits and look at these real results. And this is a move 7, fingertips to the side of the head. We're going to crisscross. So you take the elbow over towards the opposite knee. We're doing this for a duration of 60 seconds. The reason why I've chosen you this abdominal exercise to do is this one engages all 3 major muscles. So we are working through what's known as the transverse abdominis, your deepest abdominal muscle. It's also working through your internal and external obliques. That's what shapes the waist. And then it's working on the top muscle, the rectus abdominis, which is the long one that is attached from underneath your ribs all the way down to the pubic bone. All right, you are doing really well. You have